We're doing a quick unboxing of a tank robot chassis. Real quick, see what's inside. Alright, so we've got a bunch of cool parts and some tools to get it assembled with. We've got the chain. Cool. It's all plastic and it seems like it's very well put together. I did try 3D printing something like this in the past and I used ABS, which was a big mistake, but these probably injected molded, so they're probably very good. And we have these bits here. We've got the battery compartment and 4 motors in here. Hard to see because they're in there, and then I guess this is the main chassis, which is also, and one more piece right here. First red flag is there are absolutely no instructions in here on how to assemble this this tank, so it'll be a toss coin, and we'll just have to figure out whether we can build it regardless of that little problem right there. But anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hopefully we will assemble this for you guys so you'll be able to see what the finished product looks like.
See you next time!